I'm guessing you all can see where this video is going. Well, as you can tell, she is about to get new exhaust instead of those little pea shooters. I'm just hoping for better sound. I don't expect much else, maybe a little butt dyno improvement, but I'm not too worried. What we have here is an NVIDIA exhaust. I think it was like a Q1 or whatever. I know it was popular. I bought it used, $350. Seemed in great shape, just dirty. I've always wanted to put an exhaust on it, but just it's a daily driver. I never really wanted to take it out. And yeah, there's the old stuff there. And I will start dismantling this here very shortly. So yeah, let's get going. Well, I think I'll call it a day and finish this tomorrow. I kind of thought I'd be able to, as you saw, start putting the exhaust up and just slip this through, but I realized the hangers on here are going downward. So it seems like it might be a huge pain in my backside, and I might have to pull these off, but I am not completely sure. So I want to wipe down the exhaust at least and just off camera probably remove these. And if the next clip you see is me going back to installing, then it means that I said screw it and kept trying. So either see you tomorrow or see you in a few. Let's see how this goes. And here we are at the end of my little few hour project. Took me a few hours, probably takes other people a lot less time. But yeah, I know just about everything under the sun has been done on the FRS. So if I offered anything new, I'm surprised, but it's a standard exhaust, so I think it sounds good. I'm happy I finally got around to put an exhaust on it. And the FRS project, for the most part, will just be every now and then when I want to change a pace, because I still have a plethora of things I hope to do to it. There's some tail lights, some headlights I want to modify, some interior bits, you know, all cosmetics, which I think I may have said before. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Like, subscribe, yada, yada, yada. Bye-bye.